everyone. So we're back at it. I mean, it's been some months since I put a video out, but I told you guys it was going to be like that. Living in Chicago with the weather and everything like that, there really is no possible chance for me to really get on the bike because there's ice and snow and a bunch of other garbage all over the ground or coming through the air at any given time. So I've been a little MIA from the YouTube scene, which is all right. I told you guys it was gonna be like that, but the good news is I have great weather coming up. I mean, I wouldn't say great, but definitely some motorcycle weather in the near future. I think they're saying for this coming up week, there's gonna be, you know, more so towards the 45, 50. I think we even have like a 55-degree day sprinkled in there, I think on Wednesday. So that's great. The good news is the weather is starting to make a turn, and hopefully we're done with all the snow and stuff like that. But with our weather, you never know. It might drop 10 feet of snow next week. But we are making steps in the right direction here, so I'm happy about that. And I really can't wait to get back on the bike. The Road King is actually in storage right now. It's been in storage at just like a local neighborhood spot near me. And I don't know, if we start getting some better weather, and I'm thinking that the snow is going to be done for good and stuff like that, I will be there ASAP, bringing out the bike and bringing back the motovlogs to you guys, which is going to be great. I cannot wait. I've been itching to get back on the bike. But in the meantime, we are going to take a little ride over to my local Harley Davidson near me and see if we can get any sort of content on the new models for the new year, specifically the Road Glide and the Street Glide ST, which is supposed to be Harley Davidson's performance bagger, I guess you could say. I don't know, I looked at it and they look nice, don't get me wrong. I don't know if I'd personally drop $30,000 on one, but I'm just trying to check them out, get your guys' opinion a little bit, get some content back up here, and give you guys basically like a little update on where I've been at, what I've been doing. So I will continue the video once I pull up to Harley Davidson. Alright, so I just pulled up at Harley, and as soon as I pulled up into my parking spot, there was a guy that was test riding, it looks like a Street Glide ST, and he just pulled it up in front. So not only am I going to be able to get some footage for you guys, but we can get a video of it out in the daylight, and I'll probably get like a little sound clip too, so you guys can see what it's about. But yeah, let's go check it out. Okay guys, so that was just a little bit of a walk around of the bike. I do have a exhaust clip, I guess if you want to call it, after at the towards the end of this video. But I did get some footage here of the inside of my dealership over here at Illinois Harley, just checking out some of the other bikes. And this color right here, this gunship gray, is actually one of my most favorite colors from Harley. It's simple, it's kind of basic, but I think it looks super clean. And I was talking to the salesman I was dealing with about the ST models, and he said that they've been trickling in slowly. I think he said they had 2 or 3 Road Glide STs that actually sold within like 24 or 48 hours or something ridiculous of them being, on the showroom floor. But yeah, just checking out some of the different bikes here, taking a look. I just wanted to make a video to kind of update you guys on what's going on and just get back in the swing of doing some videos and putting some content out there and get your guys' thoughts on the new models from Harley. They didn't have any CVOs at my dealership yet, so I didn't get any footage of that. But yeah, for the ST, let me know what you guys think. If you think it's worth the money, if you're personally in the market for one, if you think they hit the nail on the head with it, comment below. I'm curious to see what you guys think. And there's that snake venom color from Harley. I wish I could see that in the sunlight. It's just kind of cool how it changes from purple to green. If you haven't seen it in person, you should definitely go check it out. But yeah, let's go ahead and move over to this sound clip, a little sound clip of the ST. It's stock exhaust, so it's nothing crazy, but you guys can at least get a little bit of an idea of what it sounds like stock, the 117. And like I said, feel free to comment, guys. Hope everyone's been doing well, and stay tuned for future moto vlogs. Throw some Reinhardts on it. It'll be a 4.5-inch pipe.